You can blame the TikTok algorithm all day long if you are a creator, coach, someone who is trying to sell your own products, your own consultancy, or professional services using social media, and you aren't getting the views, you're not getting the sales, and you're thinking it's all about the algorithm. If that is you, this is definitely a video that you want to just spend 5 minutes of your time watching. If you don't know who I am, my name is Ali. I'm an award-winning entrepreneur, award-winning author as well. I replaced another income stream at 50 after I used to work for the UK government, and I love creating digital businesses and making them work. Now, within quite a lot of my own clients that come to me at the start, they are always blaming the algorithm, but quite often it is not the algorithm that is the problem for them not making sales directly from social media. Yes, you can change your hashtags. Yes, you can change your keywords. Yes, you can listen to gurus that say post 3 times a day. In fact, I used to advise that about 4 years ago. You can try trending sounds. You can try talking heads, faceless content, carousels, TikTok lives. You can try all of it. But if you're not doing this one thing that I'm going to tell you about, it is completely a waste of time, your time. So quite simply, if people are watching your content and they still don't know who you are, what you stand for, the kind of niche or the topic you're in or that you talk about, and most importantly, if they don't know what your offer is, the algorithm is not your issue, it's your offer. And that is specifically what I want to talk to you today about, because when new clients start working with me, they go through a long list of things that they want to fix because they think that is the reason for them not creating consistent sales, 10K, 20K, 50K months. And it often, most of the time, is nothing to do with what's on their list. It's to do with the clarity of their offer and the alignment of their offer. So within my offers, one of the biggest things I sell is a 365 plan. That is an online coaching program where I work directly with business owners, professional creators, and even people that are starting businesses. It helps them turn a knowledge into something that is highly monetizable and something that sells on repeat. Now, whilst the offer is incredibly important, if you're marketing it in the wrong way, you can have a great offer, but if your marketing is zoot, then you're not going to sell anything either. And if you have the wrong content, no one is going to see your content, so no one's going to know about and see your offer, so you're not going to make any sales. And despite what some people might tell you, more views do not automatically fix a weak offer. The algorithm can bring more people to you, but it can't fix a broken offer, and even worse, a broken system. Okay, so let's get into it. The problem number one, and this is a biggie. Most people create a product, not an offer. Most people create a product that they themselves have fallen in love with, and they believe that it's going to be very easy to sell. Lots of people, when they first come to me, they have got offers and products that they've never even sold. So instead of fixing that, they go ahead and they create another, and then they create another, then they create another, and then they go and buy something that they didn't even create that 500,000 people are already selling, PLR, and then they wonder why that's not selling either. So if that's you, stop, don't do that. So let's go through some typical ones. They create a template, they create a PDF planner, a digital download, a very weak ebook, a membership, and they've got 0 people in it, or maybe they've got 3. They create a course which is full of waffly videos which nobody in their right mind wants to sit through. And then they start posting about it like it is literally the Holy Grail. But a product is not the same as an offer. A product is the thing that you have made or created. An offer is the reason why somebody feels that they need it. There is a difference between the two. For some people, it's like this. There is a difference between the two, a big difference. So let me give you an example. Just saying I've created a digital business planner is very different from saying this planner helps you organize your content, offer, and sales activity so that you can start aligning your true offer with your audience to find their pain points so that you can start turning your ideas literally into an invoice. One describes the item, the other describes the result. So think of it like this. People do not wake up in the morning and go, oh, I really just want to go and buy a digital PDF business planner. No, they don't. They wake up going, if there is a way that I could work out how I could make some sales specifically in my niche, I think the problem I have is mismatching with my audience and also knowing the price points that they might bite at. There is a solution, and that is what people are looking for. They are looking for a solution. So before you start blaming TikTok or any social media for not selling your product, ask yourself this: have I made the value of this offer actually so clear enough so somebody understands what the offer is and actually wants it? If you've watched this video and you put your answer to that question in the comments, I'm going to do a second video. And that one is going to be, your content is getting attention, but it's not getting buyers. And if you want to speed up your process of making income online and you want to take your business income to the next level, then I'm going to leave a link down below of my next live workshop. I tend to do these once a month. I do them live, and afterwards there is a 20-minute Q&A with me. So maybe we can smash a brand new strategy out of the park just for you. See you in the next video.